My name is Ram and today's discussion topic is encapsulation. So encapsulation is a concept of OOPS. So OOPS is a object oriented programming language and OOPS contains some pillars. These are some classes: object, method, inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism. These are some pillars of OOPS. So in which encapsulation is one of the pillar of. So what is encapsulation? So encapsulation is a wrapping a code and data together in a single unit is called as encapsulation. So simple example of encapsulation is a medicine. So medicine or capsule. So capsule is a fully encapsulated in outside part, or this is your class or inside of capsule we contain different medicine. So this is a simple example of encapsulation. So next we some advantages of encapsulation method is some hiding some data and also provide some security, and some disadvantages of encapsulation is to time consuming process. So and encapsulation is another one concept of abstraction method. So abstraction method is a only declaration, not a implementation. Because of implementation, child classes are responsible for implementation. Suppose in abstract method, we must be the class name and method name. It should be declared as an abstract. So this is the rules of abstract method, and we implement using some extension classes. We call some classes. So this is your abstract method. So we give some one example. Suppose in encapsulation is a user bank account, and this one class, and another is a SBI bank one class. So in user bank class we private some variable data we declare private variable data. Suppose private string name. And another one is suppose private int account number. These two are the private variable, and these two are private variable, and we implement these two private variable by using getter and setter method. So getter and setter method is also called, suppose read one class and write one class. So getter method and setter method is to implement, suppose in JVM IDE. So IDE means integrated development environment. So this is the features of Java provides some this feature. So IDE is to automatically implement the getter and setter method. So this is so in program we implement this method, and in other class we create the user bank objects, and to sys out the methods, get the methods, and we call the method, and to provide the to run the program. So this is your simple program of encapsulation. So this is all about your encapsulation. Thank you.